of the type of companies, be it a restaurant or be it a trucking company or something like that. Give me the type of companies who, maybe give me a list of a few people who must do it. And then again, that's probably not so important because the ones who must, they know it anyway. But give me a list of companies who really would benefit from having their, and why they would benefit from having their people drug tested, maybe beyond the obvious to us. My employees being off drugs, obviously that looks like, sounds like a good thing. But is there something rather than them being more efficient, which maybe is another reason why I should test them, maybe?
Yes. Well, let me start with the federally controlled programs, sure, because those are the most frequent and have the highest need. Certainly, if you're a motor carrier with employees as a truck that are truck drivers, you're going to fall. Your company will fall under the purview of the Department of Transportation, and you will have requirements to randomly test your employees for drugs as well as alcohol. That program is best managed by a company outside your firm, and of which we are one, so that you can satisfy compliance regulations with the Department of Transportation. In fact, at the end of the year, we have a team of people that go through a whole year's worth of data from each individual company, and we compile a report and demonstrate and give it to our employer clients so that they can demonstrate to the Department of Transportation that they have satisfied their compliance requirements. Now, we don't really wait till the end of the year to make sure that our companies have satisfied compliance requirements. We look at those companies really very hard 5 times a year. We do it at each quarter, and then we do it severely in December, so that we have at least one additional month to make sure that our employer clients are satisfying compliance requirements. For some companies, it's hard to satisfy compliance requirements. It's hard because of the activity and the places that all their employees are, which can be any place from Alaska to Florida. And so all of those relationships and contacts have to be managed. We have to get their drug screens back from whoever interpreted them, and then make a summary report that will satisfy the Department of Transportation. And again, in December, we look at it very, very intently. We look at each employer client intently to make sure that they're going to satisfy the Department of Transportation.